Maggie, how's it going?
Hey Megan, how you doing?
Pretty good, I'm just kind of hanging out at home. What's up with you?
Megan, why do you keep touching your face?
Am I? Oh my gosh, I swear I don't even realize it. It's such a bad habit. I wish there was something out there that would help me stop touching my face.
Oh my gosh, I know. I was thinking the same thing. You know what? Hold on a second. I'm just finishing up lunch. I'm gonna just wash my hands quickly. Sorry.
Oh, cool. No, good idea. Maggie, oh my gosh, that was not even close
What?
to 20 seconds.
It wasn't?
No. Wow, you know what? We really need some help designing ways to help us stop touching our faces and remembering to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds.
I know. I was thinking the same thing. We're having a hard time with this. I think maybe there's some students that could help us.
We definitely need students to help us with these problems.
Cut. Hey guys, my name is Maggie.
And I'm Megan.
And we're educators at Cooper Hewitt Smithsonian Design Museum, and we're so excited to do a 3-part session with you guys all about design and healthcare. So we're going to think about how we can prevent us from touching our faces and help people wash their hands for more than 20 seconds, and think about how we can come up with some awesome design solutions and respond to this challenge.
We can't wait to meet you guys. We'll
We're
see you
so
soon.
excited. Bye.
Bye.